Hi there, I'm Mi Elfverson. I'm the founder of the Vlog Academy, and I'm also your teacher and coach in the Rise&Shine program. So if you're running your own company, you probably know that you need to show up on video. If you want to grow your social media following, sign up more clients, earn more money and work on a more flexible basis, online video is the most powerful tool you can make use of. And it's also the quickest way to position yourself as a go-to expert in your field. But of course, going on video can be quite daunting if you haven't done it before. And it's not just that scary camera to get used to, it's also the techie stuff and finding regular, relevant and engaging content to share. And then getting your video seen once it's been finished. So if you really want to step forward, but you feel you need some help to get on with all this, I'm here to support you within the Rise&Shine accountability program. I give you confidence to step forward. I give you weekly ideas and inspiration to share, and also really powerful focus sessions, all together with a group of other amazing women. I'd love to see you rise and shine online, so join us now.